Hello, everyone. Today we are going to explore a vibrating screen factory. Are you as curious as I am? Let's immerse ourselves in the factory. Have you seen this machine? The straight material will become a curved circle after its extrusion, which is beneficial to the processing of our screen frame in the later stage. The assembly of the mesh frame and the screen frame is mostly manual, and professionals will repeatedly check to ensure that no details are missed. Don't underestimate these white balls. They play an important role in cleaning the screen and effectively. Not only that, our factory also specially produces an ultrasonic system, which can effectively solve the problem of static electricity and accumulation of materials. For some small materials, there is a good screening effect and products can be customized according to user needs. If you want to know more, please contact us. The